So we know
No. All I have to do is present it to you.
Hey, whoa, what the fuck?
License.
You can see it right there.
A traffic infraction or a criminal activity or a crime that you saw happen in court, because then it becomes retaliation. After you've already realized what's going on.
The situation began when the driver was pulled over by Phoenix PD, allegedly for speeding and shining a flashlight. During the interaction, the officer struggled to justify the stop. The driver immediately challenged the officer's claims, questioning the alleged speeding and asserting that the flashlight was not a valid reason for detainment. The officer's inability to articulate how speed was measured highlighted the weakness of the stop.
Larry, Phoenix PD. Any weapons inside the car? Any guns, knives, or anything like that?
What's that matter?
Huh?
What's that matter?
Because during the traffic stop, I can ask if there's any weapons inside the car, and failure to provide a truthful answer to that is an arrestable offense.
So this is a traffic stop? Why aren't you asking for a driver's license, saying what we did wrong?
That being said, is there any weapons inside the car?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, that being said, may I see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
For?
It's a traffic stop.
Yeah, but you stopped me
For what? What was the traffic infraction?
Sorry?
What was the traffic infraction?
Speed coming northbound on 27th Avenue.
Huh.
And also somebody's trying to light for me from this vehicle.
Dash cam.
You don't think that? Oh.
So speed my ass.
Yeah.
Your speed. I saw you.
Yeah, I'm allowed to speed to catch up to a vehicle, sir. I just wanted to make sure that everybody was okay inside this car, because I also got a bright light from the inside of this
So, hold on a minute. So is it speed or is it a bright light?
It was both, sir.
Well,
you good? All right.
he's putting it in, make sure it's in park.
All right. May I see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
For a light?
I'm driver.
Yeah.
May I see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
So you're lying about my speed.
Okay.
But you're pulling me over for something I don't have control over?
Why don't you call your supervisor while you're at it too?
Yeah, I can do that too.
Yeah, you're going to do it. Go
Are you the registered owner of the vehicle, sir?
Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead and do it right now while we can see you do it, so we know you called.
No. All I have to do is present it to you.
Hey, whoa, what the fuck?
Driver's license.
You can see it right there.
Arizona law, under Arizona Revised Statutes, Section 28-1595, requires drivers to exhibit their license during a traffic stop, meaning they must make it available for inspection, but are not explicitly required to physically hand it over. The law does not require officers to inform drivers of the specific violation before requesting identification. However, the legality of the request hinges on whether the officer had a valid reason, probable cause, or reasonable suspicion for the stop in the first place. If the stop itself is unlawful, the request for identification could also be challenged as invalid.
The law says I have to present it. I don't have to give it.
Dumb.
Okay. I can't.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
At the window, if he tried to reach in and take it.
Do not have to give it to you. You're tripping. You better read the ARS.
Right there. Yeah, you have a flashlight right there.
You do not have to be able to read. Hey, get your hand out of his car.
Get your hand out of my car and trying to take my shit. All I have to do is present it.
Holy shit.
Let me see your driver's
You're live on the internet. You better chill out.
I can't see your driver's license.
Use a flashlight.
He doesn't have to give it to you. Wow. Dude,
fucking asshole. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Wow, dude.
As tensions rose, the officer requested the driver's license and insurance, escalating the situation by reaching into the car to grab the license. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers are prohibited from physically intruding into a vehicle without probable cause or a warrant. The driver firmly rejected this action, explaining that presenting the license through the window suffices per state law. The driver demanded a supervisor, emphasizing that the stop lacked a legitimate basis.
Supervisor over here now.
Okay.
You fucked up.
Okay.
You fucked up.
Are you serious? Hey, big mistake.
Hey, can I see your insurance, please?
Big mistake.
It's on that phone.
Wow, that's a Fourth Amendment violation, reaching in here.
I'll go to court.
Go write your tickets, punk. We're going to go to court. I'm going to be his witness, too.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, motherfucker. The law says I have to present it. I don't have to give it.
Dumb.
Okay. I can't.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
At the window, if he tried to reach in and take it.
Do not have to give it to you. You're tripping. You better read the ARS.
Right there. Yeah, you have a flashlight right there.
You do not have to be able to read it.
Yeah, and when it's against the window, you can.
You never did that.
Wow, these people are
I was trying, and you reached
dumb.
in my car. Can you read that from right there? I can if you fucking hold it. If you're not trying to steal it out of my hand.
This is excellent.
Okay.
Okay.
All you had to do was provide me.
All you had to do was continue on your fucking way and not get triggered by a light. That's the only reason you're detaining us right now.
Yeah. Okay.
You're stupid, bro.
Write me a ticket for speed.
Go write the ticket and fuck off. This is civil. Ain't nothing criminal has happened. Go write a fucking ticket and fuck off.
You know I have discretion whether or not I write a ticket.
So go write it then. Let's go to court.
Okay.
I'd love to go to
I
court.
can take this right to your boss, the dash cam that fucking showed how fast I was going and that you said I was speeding, and that's your fucking reason for pulling me over.
And also the light, I said.
That's not a reason to detain this vehicle, you moron.
So people try to flag us down multiple
And so you
Not with flashlights, idiot.
You say yeah and you walk away.
Okay.
It's simple.
So it's still a traffic stop.
Now you have...
It's not a legitimate traffic stop.
Okay. And your license plate is improperly displayed because I can't read it from the back.
It's called the bike rack, which is legally allowed to be on there.
Okay, but I have to still see your license plate.
And walk up to it and look at it. Drive right behind it. And
Hey, why don't you just keep coming up with dumbass infractions,
To
bro?
look at it. Write me a ticket then for the obstructed license plate too.
Keep coming up with dumbass infractions.
You
Come
wanna
on.
Step out and tell me if you can see your license plate from 50 feet away as required per state law.
You can't see a license plate from 50 feet away at night fucking without it.
I've seen plenty of license plates from 50 feet away.
I don't think you
man.
know what 50 feet is.
Would you
We're in
like to
Phoenix.
Step out and see if you can see your license plate.
Go fuck yourself.
Well, I can see my license plate because I fucking look at it every day when I walk up to my car from work.
Hey, all I need is
I can
another
read it from a
3 minutes out of you. All I need is another 3 minutes out of you.
I couldn't see it
Keep
from
bumping your
50 feet away,
gums.
so which one is it? You can
Keep
see it
bumping
from
your
30
gums.
I'm in a lit up parking lot at work.
Okay.
I'm talking about at night. You can't see anybody's license plate from 50 feet away.
Yes, you can.
Just stop talking to him. This dude's a
Good.
fucking idiot, bro. We've already filmed him. I already know you're an idiot.
Okay.
Okay. You can't detain a vehicle for getting flashed with a flashlight. That's not a lawful or illegal reason to detain somebody. That's a Fourth Amendment issue when you stop a vehicle. If there's not a traffic infraction or a criminal activity or a crime that you saw happen, you cannot detain this vehicle. You are literally violating the Fourth Amendment right this moment by detaining this vehicle and then articulating that it's because of a light. We were not speeding and we have proof of it, so you're a liar. You are a liar.
Are you gonna let me talk?
You are. Why do I need to let you talk? You're just going to try to lie some more.
I'm not.
The license plate, the license plate, your speed, the light. What else is it, bro?
Right, 'cause people
What else is
get my
it?
attention.
Nobody wants to get your attention.
Flag us down.
Yeah, well, nobody was flagging you down. No, they don't.
Also, the reason I stated was because of your speed. Now you're saying you're not speeding.
Hold on. How'd you determine his speed?
Yeah, that's what I'd like
How'd
to
you
see.
determine his speed?
We also have
How did you determine his speed?
He passed like 20
How did you
cars.
determine his speed? You were facing a gate when I hit you with the light. So how'd you determine his speed?
I had to come northbound. Eventually, I determined your speed.
How?
right?
How?
Okay.
How?
How? There's got to be
How?
mathematics involved.
How?
Okay.
Okay, doesn't answer my question. How? How did you determine his speed? This is what the judge is going to ask you. How did you determine his speed, officer?
So regardless if I write you a ticket,
How did you determine his speed, officer?
It's gonna be my discretion.
That's what the judge is going to ask you, and I'm going to be there as his witness. So how did you determine his speed, officer?
Hang tight. What's a good phone number for you?
I'm not giving you my phone number.
No? Okay.
Give you the phone number. What's wrong with you?
You know what's the sad thing, Richard?
You want to know my shoe size?
Such good interactions in the past.
Yeah.
I don't know why I had to come down to this today.
Because you got triggered by this right here, this light right here, the Jesus beam.
That doesn't even bother me.
Well, then why are you over here, stupid? You were about to go into a parking lot, into a gate, and you got hit with the flashlight, and you got so triggered emotionally, you turned around and made up some bullshit about us speeding to pull us over. You articulated that before anything else, so when you get to court, all these pictures you just took of the license plate is after the fact. Now you're conspiring just to fuck with us because we were exercising our First Amendment.
I don't have an issue with you exercising.
Then fuck off, dude. Why are you still standing here? Oh, he knows this. I've talked to you too before, you stupid fuck.
Okay, and have
Dude,
you and I
you
ever
are
had
such a
that
piece of
interaction?
shit. Nah, because you're standing on the street. Now you think you're badass because you pulled us over, right? Oh, you were speeding. You can't even answer my question. An honest officer,
Was I ever rude to you?
No, and I even told him about how you went the extra mile to do the right thing.
Oh, this was him?
Yeah, that's what
Oh,
makes this
beautiful, bro. Beautiful.
It's like a different side.
You can't even, as an honest, you think you're an honest person, but you can't articulate how you determine his speed. You can say he was speeding, you can come to that legal determination, but you can't articulate how you determined it. That means you're a piece of shit or you're a liar.
Well, you have your opinions, that's for sure.
Yeah, well, articulate it then.
Okay.
How did you determine his speed if you're an honest person?
Okay, you have your opinions. Yeah. And we can discuss this further in court.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's the idea.
I really don't want to have to give you a citation for something that you can demonstrate.
Yeah.
Can you show me your insurance card, please?
I don't have the card. It's on the phone. I don't remember.
You
my
shouldn't
password.
have detained the
That's why I can't
vehicle,
give it to
dude.
you. I don't remember my password.
You shouldn't have detained the vehicle.
Is this a password issue?
Yeah.
Your
I have
best-
Geico insurance.
The only way for you to fix this and mitigate issues is to walk the fuck away, dude.
When the supervisor arrived, the driver reiterated the officer's violations, including the unlawful entry into the vehicle and lack of probable cause. Arizona law dictates traffic stops must be conducted with reasonable suspicion or evidence of a crime. The supervisor failed to resolve the issue, further highlighting the officer's mishandling of the stop. The driver remained composed, pointing out how the flashlight and bike rack were being weaponized as post hoc justifications for the detainment.
This is my boss, Sergeant Hernandez.
Uh-oh. Is he gonna escalate?
Sergeant Hernandez. Can I help you?
Yeah, I mean, are you here to mitigate or escalate?
Find out what's going on.
Well, my problem is him reaching in here to grab my license from me. Well, I mean, that's a secondary issue. That happened after the initial pullover. I mean, he's telling me, pulling me over for a flashlight, and then now it's speeding, but can't justify any way of speeding. So there's no real way of justifying any stop here. And then he just continues to go with, oh, now you're fucking obstruction of your license plate. That's a bike rack. That's exactly how the bike rack's supposed to fit the vehicle. So I don't know.
The original reason for the stop was make sure everybody's in here. Flash with a flashlight, make sure everybody's in here.
Yeah, so that's just, hey, are you okay? Oh, yeah. And that should have been it. There shouldn't have been any demand ID. And then the state law says that I just need to present it. So as I'm trying to put it to the window, he's reaching in here trying to get it. So now we're playing
Big
a fucking
mistake.
game of tug of war, fighting for it. Now that's a violation of my Fourth
Do you
Amendment.
guys like being on the internet? I mean, we've done this flashlight bullshit for over a year now, and here we are getting baited into it again. So this detainment from the initiation is not lawful. So when he realized that, he should have walked away, but he escalated it into violating the Fourth Amendment by breaking the barrier of the vehicle without permission and without lawful reason to do so. I mean, when you realize you made a mistake, this is when we walk away and we don't make it worse. By us continuing to be here, you've made it worse. I've been filming for 18 minutes. That's more than enough reasonable time to write any kind of bullshit ticket he was going to write. So this is just an extension and a further detention of our detainment on our Fourth Amendment, man. This is a big deal. This is a court issue. Like, you want to make it a bigger issue? You want to write a ticket? Let's go to court. Let's go to court, because then it becomes retaliation. After you've already realized what's going on, now you're continuing to push the issue. So you should be like, yeah, you're wrong, and boogie, or write your ticket and let us go. The further,
My partner is doing that as we speak.
so hurry the fuck up.
Okay.
All right. Well, give us a second, and
part of the thing that you can request also, you can request the transmission of my radio traffic. When I told my dispatcher that I was pulling you over, I also informed her that the license plate was obscured. So if you want to see that I'm actually telling you the truth, feel free to request a copy of that, and you will see that when I initiated my code 6, I told my dispatcher that I'm going to be stopping a vehicle and that I didn't have a license plate because the license plate was obscured.
Well, tell the judge that. I mean,
I will.
Yeah.
So that's
Just tell it right now, because this is going to be evidence.
I did.
Say, Your Honor,
6079.
I was following the law.
The officer's continued detainment of the driver became an issue of constitutional importance. According to the Fourth Amendment, unreasonable searches and seizures, including prolonged detentions without justification, are prohibited. The driver's legal knowledge dismantled the officer's narrative, exposing the stop as retaliatory and baseless. The officer's reliance on fabricated reasons, such as an obstructed license plate, revealed a lack of understanding of exemptions for bike racks under Arizona traffic codes.
Okay.
Well, that's the only one you have any hope of sticking in court. So good choice.
So
See, we know how to play the game better than you guys now.
So, right here.
You still can't issue a ticket on an unlawful detainment, genius.
So, you're going to have
License.
at 11 a.m., 300 West Washington. You could do one or two things there. You can
So in the Title 28 code, you guys, there are exemptions for bike racks and things that are normally allowed to be put on your vehicle. And it's written into the ARS, and he's supposed to already know this. But he's just being a moron and thinks that he knows what he's talking about. And he's still writing a stupid ticket because he's really stupid. And he likes sucking dick and looking at, you know, looking at guys in the shower. He probably puts his finger in his dog's butthole and sniffs his shit.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No.
All right. You have yourself a better night.
By the end of the interaction, the driver made it clear that this was no ordinary stop. Quoting Title 28 traffic codes, they educated the officers on the proper interpretation of the law, stating that bike racks are explicitly exempt from certain display requirements. The officer issued a citation, but the driver remained confident, asserting that the unlawful detainment and weak legal arguments would not hold up in court. The exchange ended with the driver emphasizing their rights and schooling the officers on constitutional and state laws. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.